Today's video we are going to talk about ollama underscore rs create. This is a Rust library for interacting with ollama API. So all the APIs for ollama like generate a completion, generate a chat completion, create a model, list local models, show model information, copy a model, delete a model, pull a model, push a model, generate embeddings, list running models, and creating a chatbot. All these things can be done through Rust through this library. So first, let us go through what are the internals of Ollama RS. So I just downloaded the library from here, the Ollama RS download zip, and I extracted here. So this is the library, and let's go to the source. Source, we have generation models folder, generation folder, and some files, and that's all. So since it's a library, let's go to lib.rs and see what is there in this. So mainly there are a lot of features. Chat history is one of the feature. So if you want to see that, ollama RS, there are features: stream, chat history, function calling. So these are separate features they have built as a features. So yeah, so when you have this chat history, you will get this mod library, mod history module. When you have this chat history, you will get history, wrap history as well. Yeah, having said that, this is the main lib.rs, and they are actually using, oh, not here. Let us go to, they're doing this URLs. Let's go to the ollama struct itself. So this is the ollama structure. It has a URL. So definitely it's an API call. So it will be an API endpoint. Define this same endpoint documentation. Yeah, and we need to define all the structures. So ollama has need a URL, and basically it's behind the scenes it's using the request library to call endpoint and chat history. So after that, it's implementing ollama struct. Ollama struct with new, we can see host, port, and creating a URL. It's all basic URL things. And default ollama, we can do a default on ollama, so it will directly point to this localhost, and it will request create a client from for this localhost. So that is that. Generation. Let's go to generation. This is where we do all the chat, completion, embeddings, function call, adding images. All these things are happening through this generation module. Uh, so it's importing a chat module. So we have to see where is the chat. Yeah, it's here. It's inside. It's a chat generation module, right? So inside that we have a chat module. Chat has a mod.arrows, and here we are defining. I think they are defining all the chat related structures. They are using async stream. So async stream is a library for asynchronous stream of elements. So if you have async stream, you can do this macro if you want. And the best thing is you can do next on stream, and you can just wait here and keep getting the values. So that's the main intention there. I think they are using this right here. So if you see async stream, they are doing send chat messages stream, send Saturday JSON they are using internally to get JSON as a format, and uh, to convert serialize and deserialize basically. And here you can see they're actually, let me see, I can split. Yeah, okay. So preview. I don't want to have the space. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see where they are using async stream. So they are serializing the JSON, returning returning a response. Yeah, here they are calling request client post send body and getting a response. So this is the call rest dot stream. Here they are building the stream box new response dot byte stream dot map. They can do all this map. If you see map is there here. Map and matching the response and getting the bytes and deserializing it and building a chat response, message response struct. So that's what they're doing here. And same way send chat messages, similar kind of thing. Yeah, async history stream. Here they are doing that stream dot try next thing. So they're using when stream is there, they're using this try next or next thing. This is also stream. Yeah. So basically that's why async stream and Saturday we know we need to serialize and deserialize. Create a llama. Yeah. Images. We will look into that. Request dot chat message request. So that's where this file is coming in. So chat requests, they are mentioning multiple fields like model name, messages. Messages is a vector of chat message. What is chat message? Chat message has role, content, and images. Images are optional. Okay. And optional generation options. So chat message request generation options. Yeah, it's a lot of other functionalities like option U8, microstat, ETA. So how those things are coming, it should be from here. Um, Chat completion. So model, messages, tools. Tools for the model to use if supported request stream to be set false. Yeah, stream is there. That's good. And message is basically message role, content, images, tool calls. Tool calls I don't see here. And advanced parameters, format, options, stream, keep live. I think that we have seen here, right? Yeah. Options, stream, format. Okay, that's, but some are missing. Tool calls are missing. Maybe it's this in options. Option is there. Option is there. Okay. Tool calls. Tool calls is not there. I don't know why it's not there. Uh, let's see. They have written something. Olamaras API chatbot completion. Create model, delete model. Yeah, tool calls seems like missing. Okay, so coming back to the request, so we have covered this part. Let's see how a basic chatbot is working. How a basic chatbot. So this is an example code in Ollama RS. So would need to import generation completion from completion request generation contest generation response stream. So these things actually from generation. Okay, I think we didn't see this. Yeah, we have seen this completion. Yeah, it should be here. So if stream feature is on, generation response stream is actually a big type. They just renamed it to a good name. So it's a std pin box talk your stream on create error result generation response stream chunk. So what is response stream chunk? Chunk is a vector of generation response. So generation response is You will get a model name created at response done contest total duration prompt eval count prompt eval duration eval count and eval duration. That's what this, and from here where it is coming mod.rs here itself same file. Okay, so yeah, generation request. Okay, here completion. So generate stream completion generation with streaming returns a stream of generation response objects. So basically you're calling the ollama API generate endpoint with the request client and getting the response stream and getting the bytes, filtering it and putting into vector of generation response. That's what this is doing. And if you have completion generation with a single response, that's what this. Same thing. Here we are directly getting generation response instead of vector of stream. So why we came back here? Because we were looking at basic chatbot. So chatbot need those things. Yeah, response stream, generation request, contest, vector 532. Response stream is a pin type. Yeah, on Tokyo stream. Okay, that makes sense. And we have Tokyo IO and Tokyo stream extended. So we'll see why we need this stream ext. Where are we using that stream ext? Let's see what is Tokyo stream. Tokyo stream utilities for Tokyo. So example, we can get stream and stream ext, or we can iterate through uh, stream. Here we are iterating. For that, we need stream ext. Stream is an asynchronous sequence of values. It can be thought of an asynchronous version of standard iterator trait. This crate helps provides helpers to work with them. For example, the usage example of usage and a more high in-depth description stream can also refer to streams to tutorial in Tokyo website. A stream is an asynchronous series of values. It's a asynchronous equivalent to REST iterator. They can also be transformed using adapters. Tokyo provide a number of common adapters on the stream ext. Currently, Rust programming language does not support for loop. For iterating streams is done using while let loop paired with stream next ext next. So if you get stream ext, you can basically use iter and next. Yeah, yeah, it's built on this ext trait. Yeah, so it's a trait on stream. They're extending this trait again to stream ext. This actual or future score stream. They're extending that to here mm, to use it in Tokyo. Okay, so this part we are okay. Async write ext from Tokyo IO. Maybe that's for stdio write all. Want to check that. So okay, let's go here. Async writes a trait inside Tokyo. Yeah, they have this write vectored, write buff, write all buff, write all this async writes are here. Since we are using async here, we need to use, if we are putting this inside, this is basically Tokyo IO STD out. Okay, that's why we need async write ext. So ollama default we are getting, and we are creating an STD out from Tokyo IO for async, and we are setting the context as none and writing a new line and waiting for it. It's an asynchronous one, and flushing it to make sure that it's clean, and string new, and we are getting the input from the user through Tokyo stdin. Oh, this is standard stdin itself. Oh, this is standard. We are using standard here. Standard stdin, and reading the line, trimming it, cleaning it, I think. Or exit. Um, what is this? EQ ignore ASCII case. Check that two strings are an ASCII case insensitive match. Lowercase to lowercase. Ferris. Oh, both are equal. Input equal this exit. Or if it's somebody return exit, it will just break. Oh, I see. Yeah, we will try that too. And we are creating a request, generation request. This is how we connect to the model. We are changing the model name to Tiny Llama, since I have installed the Tiny Llama here, my laptop, and prompt is the input string. So that's what I will input in the chat when it's done. We will get the request and clone. Yeah, if you want to add the contest, we can add if anything. And ollama generate stream dot give that request we created and wait. So this is what the actual call to the API, and we are waiting for the response stream. And response stream, since we have this stream here, stream ext, I think we can, what is this stream? Yeah, this stream is pin result stream. Yeah, it's a Tokyo stream. Yeah, we can do, what is for this? Yeah, this is coming from the stream ext. Okay, so that this next is coming from stream ext. That's why we imported a stream next from Tokyo stream. So the next we are doing, and we are getting each response, and doing a while let to get until it has nothing, and whatever we are getting we can do for loop. So because since we have Tokyo ext, we can use for on this. Now this is a vector, so it's a normal, any vector can run through for loop. Each elements we are getting using Tokyo std out, we are writing it out and waiting it, flushing it to make it clean. Is there any contest? We are adding the contest. Otherwise, just looping until we have covered all the responses, writing it to the std out. So that's the program. So let's run this. Since it's inside an example, we can run cargo run dash dash example basic chatbot. Yes, we got a contest. We got this one. Oh, where are we giving this cursor? Are we giving it here? New line. Oh, it's coming from the generation itself, I think. Response itself. Really? Um, oh, it's the system. It's a new line is creating. Okay, we will test that. So I just type some what is ollama rs. Oh, that's not good. It's got something else. Let's see what it's writing, then we will. No, it's got a different one. What is ollama underscore rs in Rust library? Since it's a new error, I think it's going to get it. Let's see. Hmm, no, it's going to the old one. Yeah, I don't think that content is here. That's okay. It's fairly new library, right? So yeah, we will wait for this to finish. Then we will test few things. One is how that column is coming, this cursor thing. And second one, I thought of testing something else as well. Um, yeah, exit. If you type exit, yeah, it's exiting. So it's picking this. That's good. And I don't want to write this too. So what will happen if I do this? It's not showing that. Oh, here is the cursor. Okay. Yeah, this cursor is here. They're setting that greater than simple. Third, so uh, what is what is Vancouver, Canada? Okay, that's correct. Okay, seems like exit. Oh, it's yeah, we need this definitely. So that was that. And if you want to expand, yeah, we can create um, models. So did I, yeah, create model.rs. This won't work because I don't think Tiny Llama has that API endpoints, but you can create a program. Ollama RS, you need models, model create model request, and create model request, model file, and give the model name and a model file. So I created a model file here. Where was that? Yeah, here. So yeah, just there's a format for that. Creating model file. You can get the documentation here. Um, what was that? Yeah, here. Control F, create. Model file. Yeah, model file. So this is the format. Oh, model file has these all parameters. That's why we created that structure option. Some structure we have seen. Models, I think. Yeah, create. If you see create model request, yes, model name, path, model, stream, and you can create through model file and you can create through path as well. So, but I used model file. So, model file will have a from and system. Yeah, system, and message. Yeah, let me see. Is it because I didn't give the codes? What about? I was getting an error. Let's see if we can try one more time. So it will be clear. Okay, cargo run dash dash example, since it's an example folder, and create model. Yeah, yeah, it's asking for license. Something is missing here. Yeah. So, but we have an option for creating models as well. All the required structures and calling methods are here. So that's another thing we can do in Llama RS. And apart from that, you can do model initialize Llama. Okay, default. Yeah, this is one option. And completion generation. You can do Llama latest prompt and generate. That will give you response. And if you want to use stream feature, you can use generate stream and do next. And chat mode, send chat messages with history. Yeah, this is more template way. So every message sent and received will be stored in a library's history. Each time you want to store history, you have to provide an ID for a chat. It can be unique for each user or the same every time, depending on your need. Local models. To list the local models, you can do this. Model info, you can get from show model info. And if you want to create model. I have used create model stream. No, I used create model. Yeah, if you want to use stream feature, create model stream. Copy model is there, delete model, and generate embedding. And you can define a prompt, then ollama dot generate embedding with model name and prompt, whatever prompt you have created, and then dot await returns a generate embeddings response struct containing the embeddings, a vector of floats. And you can do function calls. So tools arc message, chat message, what is the current oil price? Send function call request, new, and give the model. I think this is function call request. Just see what is that. Minimize function. Yeah, tools are there. And if you go to mod, you have call parse finance browserless tools. Yeah, there is a Google Finance thing. SERP API, I think. Format async JSON. Yeah, google.serper.dev. What? Yeah, it's function call request. Function call request. Do we have an example for that here? Completion with option. No. Okay, so pipeline. Yeah, function call request. Function call request will have a chat message and vector of our tools. So tool is a trait inside tools, and it should have a name, description, and return parameters for OpenAI like function call. It's return a JSON basically, JSON value. And async function call and run. So where did we see um, function call more.rs? More.rs. More.rs does not have much. A function call request. Yeah, function call request. This is request.rs. Functions request.rs. Functions. There's no request.rs function. Yeah, request.rs. Yeah, true. Rs and tools send function calls. Where is the send function calls? That's what it's doing, right? Oh, ollama dot send function call. Yeah, inside that we have to plug in a send function call request with all these details. So what was that? Oh, first one is chat message request. The model name, messages, option, template, and format. Okay. Second one is tools. Okay. Yeah, that's for that. So we have that functionality as well. I think that's all I need to cover in this video. We will connect, will come with some other AI or some other library to deep dive on the next call, next video. Thank you.